everyone. We are going to start Cambridge International ES and A-level mathematics paper, which is the pure mathematics 1 for the section February-March 2026. The code is 9709/1 with variant 2. Okay, let's move to the question number 1. Before solving this question, I want to share that this is my channel and I am preparing topic-wise past question. For example, this is a pure math topic-wise session in which you will find quadratic equation questions, you will find functions questions, you will find geometric questions in this playlist. Okay, let's move to the question number 1. The equation of the curve is y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 9. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve and determine their nature. To find the stationary point, we need dy over dx. Okay, and we need to equate it with 0, and using this equation we can find the x coordinate of the stationary point. So first we find dy over dx. So we have dy over dx is equals to derivative of the y, which is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 9 with respect to dx. So derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of negative 3x square is negative 6x. And derivative of the constant is 0. So this one is dy over dx. Okay, we need to equate dy over dx with 0. So dy over dx is equal to 0 means 3x square minus 6x is equal to 0. Taking 3x common, we will have x minus 2 equal to 0. So we have two factors equating each with 0. We will have 3x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0. On the other side, we have x minus 2 is equal to 0, and in this case, x is equal to 2. So we have x coordinate of the stationary point. Now, to find the y coordinate of the stationary point, we will plug this x coordinate in the curve equation. So we have curve equation y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 9. So when we plug x is equal to 0, we will have y is equal to x cube means 0 cube minus 3 times 0 square plus 9. So y is equal to 9. On the other side, when we plug x is equal to 2 in the curve equation, we have y is equal to x cube means 2 cube minus 3x square means 3 times 2 square plus 9. And this one is 8 minus 4 times 3 is 12 plus 9. And this one is equals to the 5. So y is equal to 5. So the stationary points are x coordinate is 0. So y coordinate is 9. And when x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 5. So these are the stationary points. We need to find the nature of the stationary point also. So to find the nature of the stationary point, we need second derivative of the curve. So we need to derivate this equation to find the second derivative. So second derivative is equals to derivative of the first derivative, which is 3x square minus 6x. Now again, derivative of the 3x square is 6x and derivative of negative 6x is minus 6. So this one is the second derivative. Now to find the nature, we will plug the stationary point in the second derivative. Plug stationary point in second derivative. So for stationary point 0, 9, dy square over dx square is equals to the 6x minus 6. Now plug x coordinate of the stationary point, which is 0. So x is equal to 0. And in this case, we have 6 times 0 minus 6, which is equal to negative 6, which is less than 0. So the stationary point is the maxima or maximum point. So 0, 9 is maxima or maximum point. Now plug second stationary point. For second stationary point, which is 2 comma 5. So the second derivative is 6x minus 6, and in this case the x coordinate is 2, so x is equals to 2. 6 times 2 minus 6, which is equals to 12 minus 6, and this one is equal to 6. So this one is greater than 0, so the stationary point is minima. So we can see that the stationary point 2 comma 5 is minima or minimum point.